Hello, I'm Chef Peter, professional chef. Today I will show you how to make a nut-crusted baked brie cheese. Our first ingredients are a third of a cup fine diced walnuts, a third of a cup diced almonds, a third of a cup diced pecans. We mix them all together in a bowl. There will be our crust. Then we have one whole egg. Put it in the bowl here. One whole egg, put it in the bowl and slightly beat it. And we add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream to it. Mix that all together. That it gets a nice smooth consistency. That will be for our breading for the brie cheese. What we're gonna do, we take the whole brie and we just soak it in our egg and heavy cream mix. Just cover it on all sides. What you want to do, it's the side pieces especially, because they're kind of smaller. So we cover it really nicely. And then drop them into our nuts. We have our nut mix here. And then you try to press it a little bit on so the nuts really nicely stick into it. You can use all the sides, roll it into the nuts. You want the whole cheese kind of covered in all your nut pieces. When you got your brie cheese covered with all the nuts, we just transfer it over to a fire-resistant form and we bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Our nut-crusted brie cheese is ready to go into the oven now. We preheated the oven at 350 degrees and it will go in for 20 minutes till the nuts are crispy and golden brown at the outside and the cheese melted in the middle. Welcome back. Our nut-crusted brie cheese was in the oven right now for about 20 minutes and we should be ready to take it out. So let's take a look. Oh, that looks beautiful. And here we go. We got our nut-crusted brie cheese. I put some raspberry jelly on top of it, which enhances the flavor to it.